In this video, we'll guide you through the process of hiding mutual friends on Facebook's mobile app. If you take your privacy seriously, then watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. You can enhance your privacy and limit the visibility of your mutual friends on Facebook. Let's open the app on our device, and then you want to open this menu section by clicking here. When you open this menu, the next step is to tap on the little gear icon at the top right corner in order to open the Facebook settings. Now scroll down until you find a How People Find You and Contact You option. In here, we'll see a bunch of different settings, but the one that we need to open is the second one called Who Can See Your Friends List. As you can see, it's currently set to Friends for me, which means that any of my friends can see my friends list and also our mutual friends. But if you want to hide that completely, then click on More and set this to Only Me. And now no one will be able to see who my friends are, and Facebook won't tell then who our mutual friends are. And that's how you can protect your privacy and hide your mutual friends in the Facebook mobile app. If this video was helpful, leave a like on it, and I'll see you in the next video.